No start condition on E320. So most of you that know me know that the newer Mercedes get, the less excited I get about them. And also when we have talked about newer Mercedes in the past, you know, or I don't know, I mean, people still ask me if I can do videos on this stuff, but if it's later than 1995, I'm pretty much useless. I'm basically as good as Google. I'm not joking, I'm not pulling anybody's leg there. So we had gotten a few questions about the overvoltage protection relay, specifically how it affects cars with the M104 engine used on the S320, SL320, E320, C280, etc. And the overvoltage protection relay is actually a big silver relay with a white top on these cars, and it is much more invasive than the previous generation OVP was. If you have a red top OVP like on a 190E or a 560 SEL, the car will still run if the OVP blows. You just won't have any control to the fuel injection circuit or the idle control circuit. But if you have an E320 or a car with an M104 engine, it is a different story. If your OVP fails, the car will not run because it shuts down power to the fuel pump relay, shuts down power to the ignition, shuts down power to just about everything that makes the car run, and you know, the car won't even be reliable. The funny thing about these OVPs is if they turn on, they seem to stay on, but if they don't turn on, then you know, everything's basically dead. So if you have an E320 that won't run or won't start intermittently, which I had to deal with this problem twice before the root cause really sunk in and I understood it. If your OVP is the original one and it's not the silver one with the white top, which is the genuine Mercedes issue, you should replace it. Next, if you try to put the double fuse OVP in, the other thing I've noticed is that it will actually make the car run when you shut the key off. So if you try to use the OVP like for a 92 or earlier 300E and you plug that in, it will plug in. The plug is exactly the same, but the car will not behave normally at all. You'll plug it in, the key will be off, the ignition will come on, you start that car and that car will stay running ad infinitum until you unplug the OVP. So weird? Yes, very weird. But also something that I feel all of you should know. The failure frequency of these OVPs is somewhat lower than the other ones, but it's still high enough to where if there's a problem, you know, you should always go to it as one of your first things that you check out. So in the meantime, if you have any questions about these circuits or the other circuits or how to diagnose these cars' electrical problems, then you know, try me, I'll do what I can. I can't promise the best result like I would on a 109 or a 126, but we'll try and enjoy driving a Mercedes Benz. Be sure to subscribe. Please tap the bell for notifications, and if you have any friends that love Mercedes, share these videos with them so that they can become subscribers too. For all 3,680 of you as of yesterday, I really appreciate you subscribing to our channel and bringing our numbers making our numbers grow so quickly, and we're doing our best to deliver meaningful content about these cars to you. So thank you all so much.